to our room now. Yeah, we're going to our room. Here's the lift. Lifts.
10.
10. We're gonna go to level 10. Here we go.
In this.
It's the insert way.
Yeah, bro.
And then we move, I guess. There you go. Boom. We're in our room. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow, this room is like a professional room. Wow, 2 beds. Wow, look at that wall. The carpet feels nice. Oh wow, look at this. Nice chair as well. Office chair. Small little TV. And I guess menu here and some magazine. And wow, look at this chair. And let's see the view from outside, from our room.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, not much, I guess. I guess you can see kind of, but not much. I guess because it's pitch black outside. In the morning we'll see a lot. Look at this. We got like this small kitchen area. We got water in here and spoons, big spoons, and some tea, coffee, and cups here. Safe, iron, and then ironing board, some clothes here, and drawers, and some laundry stuff. A little bench, and then a bathroom. Look at the bathroom. Wow, it's a towel holder, tissues, some soap, the sink. Wow, it looks nice and clean. Like shampoo and stuff. Toilet paper, toilet, the shower, bathtub, you know, nice. Wow, lots of towels. And the shower head, nice.
Yeah,
This is good.
This is good.
Hello. We just made it to our room. We're very exhausted. Man, we're glad to be here. Whew. And that was good. We said goodbye to Malaysia. It was a pretty good country. Now we're back at Singapore for another 3 nights, and then we'll head back to Auckland, New Zealand. Yeah.